If Rose hadn't done this 10-minute garden challenge, I don't think I'd even be out here. I haven't released a video in a couple weeks now. Life's just been pretty tough. Taking all it can take to get things done around here, so all the extra fun stuff is gone by the wayside. These peppers have gone crazy. There's so many of them. It's all been getting to be too much with the kids and the animals and projects and the house being cluttered, and trying to find time to be sane has been tough. Anyway, I don't mean to complain, I'm just explaining. So, thankfully we've got good food to eat anyway. It's been kind of warm here. The lettuce is getting big. If it tastes any good. The kids are still sleeping as far as I know. Got the barn video coming out. I've already done it twice and got 40 minutes to edit down to maybe 10. Frog. So anyway, better take this in. Lots of weeds in those raspberries. So I pulled out a bunch of my unproductive squash. Noticing the walnuts are really big this year. Starting to drop. Gonna get some of these turnip greens for breakfast. Thin them out a little bit. So, hope you have a good day. And get out there and garden. I'll get a few more videos out here soon. They're all filmed and waiting for me. So we took Justin Rhodes' advice and paid our kids to do some work we couldn't get done instead of paying a stranger to do it. This is our new little dog area, and this used to be it when we had a bigger dog. We ripped that out. So we're hoping to put the greenhouse right here when we get that done.